today we in these streets, be higher. But if your butt said, this workout gonna get you right. If you ain't got no glute muscles, this workout gonna get you right. Okay, Khloe Kardashian booty, I'm coming for you. I love me, so I'm gonna be like. Today is Sunday, January 28th, and yeah, so what are you looking at? Why are you all up in my grill now? But yeah, you all, I decided to start a new weekly vlog, and yeah, this cutie pie. So y'all, here's the macaroni, and not to brag, but y'all, it is so creamy. I'm telling you, like KFC creamy. It is very creamy. I'm going to plate this so that you all can see it a little better. And yeah. Okay, y'all, I really got to work on plating and cutting. Look how rigid that is. But we have red beans and rice with gravy and turkey tails. We have macaroni and cheese from scratch. Cornbread. You want your cornbread? Yeah, we got cornbread. The barbecue sauce rib. And rib with no barbecue sauce. It is the next day. It is Monday, January the 29th, and I just got some very exciting news. Anyway, your girl got approved for childcare. The content is gonna be giving what it needs to give, period. So, like I said, we can get out in these streets. Okay, let me explain this, because I know some of you all wondering, like, childcare, like that just supposed to cover when you work, and like how are you gonna be living your blessed life with childcare, and it's for working individuals. I am a working individual. I do work now. I'm a boss and I work. My business ventures is not enough to make it back, so I have to work 2 for now. Hopefully very soon I'll be turning in that, I was about to say bitch, girl, you ain't no police. Hopefully I'll be putting my 2 weeks in, and yeah. So anyway, y'all. Hey y'all, what is up? I feel so bad. I haven't picked this camera up in days. It is now Thursday, February 1st. We in a new month, and I haven't picked up this camera. But yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, I had just made me some iced coffee, and I ain't gonna lie, it tastes a little funny. It's giving somebody probably left it out on the counter overnight. So we gonna have to get some more. We won't be drinking this. But yeah, I think my son might have took it out and left it on the counter, and left it out on the counter, and then probably put it back in the fridge, because it's giving a little tainted, a little spoil. But anyway, y'all, today we in these streets. Yeah, I got a few errands to run, and I actually need to be getting up out this door and not talking to y'all. But yeah, I gotta take my oldest son to the doctor. He injured his finger while lifting weights at school. He go to a private school, so you know, fancy. Well, I don't know, maybe this day and age they lift weights, but at public schools too, I don't know. But when I was in school, wasn't no lifting no weights. Well, you know what, I don't know. I know I had a school and they had like an auto class and all that, and I would like to think if they had all that, they probably did have weightlifting and all that. It was in a bougie area that I was living in, but Carpentersville. But yeah, they had all type of classes there, so they may have had weightlifting, but I knew nothing about it. Yeah, and it was like rich kids and stuff there. I had a fruit that I knew and talked to. But yeah, but y'all, ooh, 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 it's giving what it needs to give. Okay, okay. Barb's looking like a Barb. Okay, Barb's in the hood. But now, as you all can see, your girl didn't do her hair, cause who? But yeah, I just didn't feel like it. Like, I probably could have ran the flat irons over it, but I didn't feel like it, and it didn't look too bad. I didn't look like Ratchet Red, so I'm like, you know what, I could spend that time doing something else, cause I'm probably finna work out. I might insert a little clip of me working out, so just so you all could know what type of workouts I do at home. And y'all, I got this workout, I got this home workout that I never seen anyone do, that I created, that is gonna have that booty on fleek. Okay, on fleek. It's gonna have that booty up there. Okay, now I gotta make sure I stay consistent with it, but like just after 2 workouts, I seen a difference. After doing this 2 times, I seen a difference. So stay tuned. I don't know if I'm gonna show it in this video or if I'm gonna wait, but just know your girl Nina Lean, she gonna show y'all this magic. If your butt sag, my butt don't sag, but you know, it could always be higher. But if your butt sag, this workout gonna get you right. If you ain't got no glute muscles, this workout gonna get you right. If you got it going on like moi, nah, just playing, according to what other people say, and you just want some extra hump in that lump, this workout gonna get you right. Okay. But yeah, okay. But yeah, y'all, so y'all don't want to miss this. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe, because we look, is we trying to be the letter, a lowercase L, taking L's, or you trying to have that thing looking like the letter P? Period. I'm trying to look like the letter P. Okay, I'm trying to have that thing like like Khloe Kardashian. Okay, it ain't even about, it ain't always the size, it's the shape, it's the way it's made. And I'm aiming for Khloe. Okay, Khloe Kardashian booty, I'm coming for you in 2024. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, that's what we got. I don't know what else we have going on today, but today may or may not be the last day I vlog. No, it's not. I don't, Lord's willing, it's not going to be, because your girl trying to look fine on Sunday, so I might get some Sunday footage. We gonna see. Or I might just start a new vlog. It depends. It depends on how much time this vlog end up being. So yeah, I guess I'll holler at you all later. And I can't stop looking at myself, and that's how you should be, but not cocky. Keep it humble, but like you should love you. I love me, you should love you. So yeah, I'm finna get on everybody's nerves, because people don't like me for what reason, unknown, nobody knows, but I love me, so I'm gonna be like, when they like, and I'm gonna be like, I'm finna get on some nerves today. In other words, I'm gonna be on some, yes, loving me type stuff. 2024, get your life, stop watching me. And when I say watching me, I'm talking about the people that be with the stank face. So, but anyway, y'all, I will see y'all later. Y'all know me, your girl. So this is my outfit: just some gray jeans, a black shirt, you know, soccer mom attire. And y'all, I'm trying to dress more modest. I know this may not be modest, but it's gonna have to do. Yeah, I forgot I had my camera with me, and that I'm supposed to be vlogging, but right now I'm at the phone store.
So for that one, I don't have the screen.
All right, you all, I will hit you all when I get back to the car. Hey. If I am looking disappointed, it's because I am. Now, remember in the clip earlier, I told you all I was taking my son to the doctor. So upon taking him to the doctor, they said his finger may be broken, even though it's moving a little bit. So I was going from the clinic to the hospital to get it x-rayed, and I caught it flat. I'm gonna show y'all. But so that's two bad things at once. His thumb on his right finger, you know, the hand you need to write with and all that, if you're right-handed, maybe broke. I have to go to the hospital, and then he's gonna have to see an orthopedic, follow up with an orthopedic, however you say it, afterwards. And then I called it flat. And if that isn't bad enough, I have to give myself, I'm like 30 minutes from home, and I have to pick up my son in literally 30 minutes. And if that's not bad enough, his dad is way somewhere kind of out here too, and he's like 20 minutes farther out than I am. Pray for you, girl. Pray for me. Show y'all this flat tire. It's not kind of flat, but all the way flat. And y'all, my neighbor that don't like me, he was looking at me kind of funny. So I'm definitely gonna be checking to see if there's something funny going on. But then again, I did buy the car used. I bought the car a couple of months ago, and I bought it as is. So maybe the tires are just old, and that's something I probably should have did as soon as I purchased the vehicle, but I ain't had the money, so. My phone just stop doing your mouth like that. Stop.
These shoes dirty. I'm too close.
Y'all, it is Sunday, and come on now. I thought why you turn it off?
Cause so he told me to put on 2 players.
Anyway, y'all, it is Sunday, and I couldn't make it to church. My tire blew out, and my kid's father is a mechanic. He's fixing it. Anyway, he brought them over. Mario, y'all. I haven't seen Mario in so long. This is crazy. Like, this brings back so many memories. Look at Yoshi. Is this level 1? Cause this a bit intense. This level 1.
Oh, it's your turn, Shan. Come on. Come on, Shan.
It's bullets and big gaps, and y'all, look how little this Nintendo is, y'all. I have never, like, it doesn't even have a cartridge. Like, what? Luigi. Look how little this is. Let me show y'all. This my hand. That's how little it is. Crazy. It's mine. You got some. Okay, y'all. I just wanted to say I'm gonna end this vlog early because it's not a lot going on in my day like I thought it would be, because my car had broke down. And yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, and I hope you all enjoy. See you next time.